Interesting topic is insertion sort. So insertion sort is kind of very basic sorting algorithm. So here what is that? Randomly you select a key on in an array. So whatever the value is. So suppose this is j, then this is j plus 1 value. If this is a key, so what I do, I select this thing. Okay, I'll select this term. I'll pick it up. I'll compare if it is greater than this. Okay, if it is greater than this, obviously it should be placed in the right side. If it is less than this, it will go check here. If it is greater than this element, so this element is sent towards the left and this will be placed here. Yeah, I know that's confusing, that you do not understand, but we'll always have one free space like that. So what do I say, like, okay, I think initially I'll have it like this. So maybe this space is basically because sometimes if you have this and this is smaller than this, suppose here 10 is there and here 9 is there. Wait, I think I'm saying wrong, ulta. If 10 is there, okay, ignore that thing. Let us just take one problem and understand. Okay, suppose we have 83 for why am I doing like this? 83, 45, 68, then we have 90, 29, 34 and 17. Okay, so basically insertion, what happened, first I will select this element and I will simply like put it in the place known as like sorted place. So this side I will say as sorted place, and here I will just say that it's not sorted. Okay, so here I have 45, 68, 90, 29, 34 and 17. Okay, then now what I will do, so now this I will take as key term, I will just remove this and then I will compare with 83. If it is less, I will place on the left side. If it is greater, I will place on the right side. So now it will be like 45, 83 here. Okay, and then here it will remaining is 68, 90, 29, 34 and 17. And then what happens, I will just explain you in two methods, not two methods, two ways. Like you can either write like this, or another simple way is also there. Now 68, it is compared with 83. So now what happens, so I will just make 3 box. Suppose 83 is here and 45 is here, so 68 is taken from here. Okay, 68 is taken from here. I'll erase and okay, write it again. 68 took. Now it will try to compare here, it's lesser than this, so it will come here. If it is greater, so what it does, it sends 45 here and then it fits here. Okay, then I have 90. 90 comes, it checks if it is greater, yeah it is, so it's just simply placed towards the right, sorted, it's empty. 29 comes, it checks, it's lesser, 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 it's placed here. 34 comes, lesser, 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 greater, so it sends 29 here, 34 here, 29 here, and like that 17 last will come there. Okay, the another simple way is just, let me just draw this properly and neatly. So it was 89, suppose 45 and then 68, 90, 29 and 17. I am not writing 34 here, just I want it to be neat. Suppose this is j and this is j plus 1. So now my j plus 1 element is my key now. So what I will do, if it is key, first I will check. Okay, I will remove this 45 from here. Okay, then I will check from in this place 89, it is greater. So what happens, this thing is swapped. Okay, so what was it, 45, right? And here what was it, 89, I guess. Yeah, it was 89 itself. So basically what happened, when I will just show you again, when 89 was here, when 45 compared and it saw that 45 is lesser than 81, so first 89 will be moved here. Okay, and then 45 will be placed here. Okay, this both now gets incremented. So j is here and j plus 1 is here. So this will be my key. Same way it will come out, it will check. Okay, 68, right? Now 89 is greater than 68, so 89 is sent here and 68 goes here. Okay. And then now j plus 1 key checks, it's not lesser, it's greater, stays there, it goes here, j plus 1, it checks, so 29 is out. Okay, it comes with 90, 90 is greater, so now 90 goes here, 29 is trying to fit here, but we also have 89 greater than 29, so again 89 will be sent here. So even same way, even this j plus 1 also will be coming here. Okay, then j and j plus 1 is here, my key element is here. If I want to fit it over here, but I see here in the left place the number is greater, so again it goes here and then it comes here. Again now you see this element is greater, so again what happens, 45 goes here, then j is in -1 position, j plus 1 is 0 position, so 28 comes and fits here. Okay, now same way I have 17 over here, key element j and j plus 1 is here, so 17 goes out, so it checks, 90 is greater, 90 comes here, again comes here, j and j plus 1 is here, 89 is greater, goes here, 68 goes here, 45 goes here, 28 goes here, j plus 1, 17 goes here, so it will be fitted here. Okay, this is just the selection sort thing. So one by one it selects the key element, from the left hand side it checks, it selects any, you can check select any key randomly, it selects, sees towards the left of it if it is greater or lesser. If it is greater, then it will just swap the place, if it is lesser then it remains the same place. Okay, like 90 did not change, it could have changed 90, but 80 like 89 was here and 90 was here, 89 was here and 90 was here, it did not change. Why? Because 90 is already greater. If it is less only, it will just swap the places. So this was the easiest thing for that insertion sort. Even the algorithm is not that difficult. Like, so you have one for loop and one while loop. Within this one for loop and while loop, we can just finish this algorithm.